Hi friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will tell you about hidden treasures of the UK 1992. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of coin collecting, and we have an extraordinary story to share with you. We'll be exploring the United Kingdom's Elizabeth II 10-pence coin from 1992 and how it holds incredible value, even while still in circulation. Close-up of the 1992 10-pence coin. First, let's take a closer look at the coin itself. The 1992 Elizabeth II 10-pence features a striking design, with a lion and a unicorn on the reverse side, which represents the UK's royal heritage and history. The obverse side showcases a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. History of coin production. These coins have been in circulation for quite some time now, and they're a part of everyday transactions in the UK. But what's truly fascinating is that some of these 1992 10-pence coins are worth far more than their face value. Interview with numismatist. To learn more about the value of these coins, we spoke with John, a numismatist with a vast knowledge of British coins. Numismatist. The 1992 10-pence coin is known for its rarity. In 1992, the Royal Mint switched from a larger, heavier design to a smaller, lighter version. This transition makes the earlier 1992 coins more valuable to collectors. Their mintage numbers were significantly lower, and that adds to their desirability. Coin varieties and differences. John also pointed out that there are two variations of the 1992 10-pence coin. One has a larger typeface and date, while the other has a smaller typeface and date. The smaller typeface variety is the rarer of the two and commands a higher price in the collector's market. Interview with a coin collector. We also spoke with Sarah, a passionate coin collector, to understand why these coins are worth millions in circulation. Coin collector. The demand for these coins has been steadily increasing. Collectors are always on the hunt for unique and rare coins to add to their collections. The 1992 10-pence is a prime example of a coin that has become a hidden treasure. If you find one of these in your change, it's like discovering a small fortune. Sold coins. In recent years, several 1992 10-pence coins have been sold at auction for impressive prices, sometimes reaching into the thousands of pounds. It's important to check your coin for its date, and if you're lucky enough to have one of the rarer varieties, it could be worth a significant amount. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the fascinating story of the United Kingdom's Elizabeth II 10-pence coin from 1992. Now United Kingdom 2-pence coin 1991 introduction. We have something truly fascinating to discuss, a coin that you might have in your pocket right now. We're diving deep into the 1991 Elizabeth II 2-pence coin, exploring its history, value, and its potential to be worth millions. So, stick around till the end to uncover the hidden treasure in your pocket. The design. Let's start by taking a closer look at the design of this coin. On the front, you'll see a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, as you would on most British coins. However, it's on the reverse side where the magic happens. The design features a unique new pence lettering, which sets it apart from other 2-pence coins. The rarity. The 1991 2-pence coin is unique because it was the last year the UK used new pence on its 2-pence coins. After this year, they changed the lettering to 2-pence. This makes the 1991 version somewhat rare and sought after by collectors. Mintage numbers. Now, let's talk about the mintage numbers. In 1991, the Royal Mint produced a substantial number of these coins, but it's essential to remember that many of them have since been taken out of circulation and used for transactions. Condition matters. When it comes to the value of this coin, its condition is crucial. A well-preserved 1991 2-pence coin can fetch a much higher price in the market compared to a heavily circulated one. So, if you've got one that's in mint condition, you might be onto something valuable. Valuation. So, the big question, is the 1991 2-pence coin worth millions? Well, while it's not common to see one of these coins go for millions, they can certainly be worth more than their face value. In good condition, these coins can fetch several pounds, and in some cases, more, especially if you have a rare variety or error coin. Collector's market. The collector's market for coins is a fascinating one. People collect coins for their historical significance, rarity, or simply because they find it enjoyable. If you're a coin enthusiast, the 1991 2-pence coin could be a unique addition to your collection. Conclusion. In conclusion, while the 1991 Elizabeth II 2-pence coin might not be worth millions, it's certainly worth more than its face value, especially if it's in great condition. So, take a closer look at your pocket change. You might have a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. That's it for today's video. If you found this information interesting, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future coin-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.